Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Focus-Wide sliding door. It has a plain design but such a wide degree of customization that it can create unique compositions. Let's dive in. As we said in previous videos, the Wide collection is characterized by the possibility of building any closet by the centimeter, by the millimeter for any of the three dimensions, so width, height and depth. With sliding closets, this degree of customization is normally less used than on hinge door closets. Why? Because if you custom make a sliding door, it does create asymmetries that you would perceive more than on hinge doors, and you also create situations where, for example, I reduce this column here. Well, this door here that slides onto the reduced door would not open completely, things like that, so we suggest to stick to the standard measures, which are so many. Why are there so many? Because we can have 2, 3 and 4 doors sliding door closets on the Focus-Wide collection, and for example the standard measures range, there's loads of options and range from 157 to 454. To give you an idea, this is the 340 with 3 doors of 110 and something. Its heights, this is the 255, then we can have the 229. We can also have it custom made in height from 259 to 229. Bear in mind that when you install a hinge door closets, you can get up to 2 centimeters down from the ceiling, so it gives you a fitted look. With a sliding door closets, you need to take into consideration that you must stay 16 centimeters below the ceiling, and this means that you cannot give this fitted look on sliding door closets. So I normally suggest, well, if you have a 270 centimeter ceiling, you stick to the 255. For example, if you have a lower ceiling, our clients in Switzerland, for example, they often have 240. Well, you can have the 229 and it looks great as you see it here. As it's to its depth, we have the standard 65 centimeters, which is this one, and we'll see the inside later on. And then we have the reduced depth of the 47.8. Bear in mind that on sliding doors, when we describe, not only us, also in general is a practice in the business, in the furniture business, the depth of a sliding door closet normally refers to the outer door. The outer door, it means the deeper door, which is normally the 1 or the 2 doors in the center of the closet. As we said, the Focus-Wide collection has a very plain door, as you see it here. It's made unique by the multiple finishes we'll describe later, and you have a wealth of 8 different handles. This is the IM handle, which is built-in, carved inside the surface of the closet. I have never been a fond of built-in handles like this. I can't tell you why, but I do like this one, probably because it's rounded, and I find it ergonomically pleasing and practical to use, so I do appreciate it. Do you like built-in handles, or you prefer handles which are attached on the surface? Write it in the comments. This is a 3 doors composition, and the central door, the outer door in the business practice, opens towards the right in this case. You could choose to open it towards the left. This is important to point out because you know there are reasonably good closet factories that do not allow to choose this detail, and as an interior designer I do like to have this possibility, because based on how my room is set, do I have a door here or the entrance door of the room is on the other side, and the bed in relation to the closet, how are they positioned in relation to each other? And based on this thinking, as an interior designer, I like to spend, well, 30 seconds to discuss with the client whether they prefer the central door to be opening towards the right or towards the left. Let's open the Focus-Wide closet and be surprised with the striking color that we chose for the showroom. Here in the showroom we chose to customize the inside with the color Anfora. And well, normally you have different laminates to choose from, wooden finishes, texture finishes, and they are standard. Well, you can pay an extra and you can have the skin effect finish. It's called skin, but it's actually a leathery effect laminate, and you can customize it with a custom lacquer with a color chosen from our standard collections of 30 colors. And well, Anfora, it's very striking, you know, well, it's all about taste. I would never choose and purchase a closet with this dimension fully with the Anfora color. It would be too much in a room, in my opinion, but you might have a different opinion, and if you have it, write in the comments. And well, you know, here we have a neutral, refined, I would say everlasting color for the outside, but I have a personality. I want to express my personality with my custom furniture, and since I love the Anfora color, well, if the outside is too much, well, I'll choose it from the inside. This is the point with this sort of striking colors. And here we see the standard drawers unit. I say standard, but you can have it in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers combinations, so lots of options. You can also customize the handle. The inside has a nice texture laminate. It doesn't have full extraction, while there are other clothes in our collections which have full extraction. It's a nice feature, so this doesn't have it, but I must admit that when you're placing your shirts or your socks or things like that, you don't really need full extraction. And the mechanism is a nice, clean mechanism underneath, and it's a reliable, well-built mechanism. So that here we have the top, we have the higher hanging space, and we have an higher shelf. I'd like to point out the LED. Well, recently LED strips have been made more compact in width, and still the light they produce is very nice. This is the type of, since it's hidden behind the door, there's a sensor, and it is turned on when you open the door. Actually, I don't know if you perceive it in the video, but I do perceive it when I open. I see it off, and then it turns on straight away. Let's see the other door, how it is being set up, but also the setup of the inside of the closet is totally personal. Here we see another LED light, in this case at the extreme right. Well, this is important, and it came to my mind now. Well, I just told you how it has been made more compact, and this is interesting because I don't know until when this LED light was wider and was actually carved a few centimeters towards the center, and this would create the situation that with a drawer unit, the light in the lower part of the closet would be covered by the drawers unit, while the light here has been made thinner. It has been moved towards the front, and this makes it possible to have a drawers unit and light not being hindered by the presence of the drawer unit. So here we see standard hanging space down below, then we have the standard shelf on which this casellario, which is used for, as you see, jumpers and even accessory, is placed on top of it. So let's talk about materials. Well, we have, how much time do you have? No, I'm kidding. So we have laminates, plain laminates, texture laminates with stone effects, wooden effects, bronze effects. There's all sorts of laminates which are made with, manufactured with a very high-end and innovative plant, which creates these edges where they are applied with laser techniques. You don't really perceive them to be laminates. So a very high-end perception of the final product. This is a special laminate which is called Barré. It's only available in 2 colors, and it has this heavily texture effect. Not only you perceive it in look, but you perceive it also by touching. This is the nickel Barré color, which matches the nickel lacquer that we see on the IM handle. Then we have lacquers. You can have matte lacquer with all of our colors. You don't perceive any texture at all, completely plain, both in terms of looks and in terms of touch. Then you can have lacquer on skin effect laminate, as I was telling you for the inside. It is rather subtle, especially if you don't have contrasting color. You don't perceive the skin effect much, not in terms of looks and not in terms of touch. It's a bit rougher when you touch it, and if I don't move around, if I don't have a light, it's rather plain. And then you can have lacquer on oak laminate, and in that case you have a wooden oak effect underneath the color that you choose. And then we get on to woods. We can have oak in our fashion wood colors, which, as I shared multiple times before, are very interesting because they are manufactured with the two-tier process, where there's a first stage which is done with an automated plant, and then there's actually a manual intervention by a human technician who, with special sponges, does create those shades that you would not be able to create with a fully automated plant. And then we have open pore lacquer, which is actually wood, real oak wood, on top of which I think around 10 colors are applied, and you can create these warm effects of the open pore finish. So we've come to the end of today's product review about the Focuswide sliding door closet. Plain in its design, but very much customizable. I hope that you like it, and see you next time. Bye bye!